Oh, look at that pretty brood. Oh, look at that wonky comb on the brood with queen cell. I'm not, there you are. There's a queen cell on the end of the wonky comb too.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah.
Why? Why?
Why ask why? Try Bud Dry. Don't drink, folks. But the commercial will forever be in my head. I
I got bees doing the waggle dance.
I've seen it. I don't know if the camera got it, but
There's several different ones. There's eggs in this.
if I'm not gonna wear real gloves, I gotta at least wear rubber gloves.
Sorry, y'all, but I'm moving your stuff around so you quit doing as much wonky comb. Make it harder for y'all to do some wonky comb by
That's
having.
Beautiful white comb or wax though.
They keep building all kinds of pretty white wax, but it's wonky comb.
I'm in on this, honey.
Yeah. On plain black frames. For some reason they want to run the opposite way as the frames.
Look how pretty. Oh, I did that one.
We're gonna have to do something with this stuff.
Yeah.
You want to put it in your pocket, or
You can go ahead and put it in my pocket.
that right there is honey covered.
It's so good. It's not the first honey cover.
Watch your hand.
Yeah,
There's a
I see the
bee.
bee. Just shake the bees off.
That I'm gonna leave that for them.
Okay.
Then I need a new box. Yeah, you all just steal the honey.